performance. It's a beautifully cold day here in the Northeast. We're starting to work on the C3 chassis. He's gonna clean that up. I'm gonna clean up this side. We took our measurements. So we're gonna prep the area for this box tubing that you can get online from Auto Metal Direct, or honestly most carriers. Summit, Summit Racing, Jags I think too. So we're gonna keep prepping. Just, grinders and flap discs, air power, electric power. We're gonna get this all nice and shiny before we move on to the next step. Alrighty guys, so you can see we did some surgery. We did it nice and methodical. We took out a nice section. This piece was concaved in, I believe for off the assembly line. So we made it a little bit out more, so that way it'll line up perfectly to that piece. We're gonna lay him in just like this, right in there. And then we're gonna have both bends of the metal. So this is both gonna add strength to the chassis. Put it down here and stitch it all up. Maybe do some rosettes too. And then same with this guy. It's gonna be a similar deal. He's gonna stand tall ways. I need to continue prepping the surface, get this guy out of here. This guy you see is a little thin, but in our experience, you can go ahead and replace this if you want, cut it out, but to be perfectly honest, just some pitting, a little bit of breakthrough. You just sand this all down with your grinding wheel till you get it nice like a nickel finish and a shiny. Then you can always go back in, fill with weld, rust treat, coat prime, and then top coat it with either chassis paint or whatever you're using. And then if you lock it in so that way it's protected on the inside and protected on the outside, it shouldn't rust anymore and it should be relatively strong. So you don't have to go about replacing a whole section of chassis just because it's a little bit weak in some areas. Okay guys, so we've been prepping all day. So he is nice channeled out, ready for a replacement piece. We put the Eastwood self-etching weld through primer on all the surfaces, so we'll be ready to weld. We're gonna be good to go. We're just gonna start spraying. Then we got this guy. We'll put some angle iron down there. This guy is flat. He's just gonna be awaiting a new one of those, the body mount purchase. But overall, good amount of progress. The next is start welding. All right guys, like, comment, subscribe, follow along. See where we go next with this chassis. Take it easy guys.